Hi, this is Jason O'Callaghan, the psychologist and clinical hypnotherapist in the D4 clinic with today Tuesday's tips on how to lose those COVID curves. I'm going to give you a simple tip right now and it's going to blow your mind. It's scientifically proven and we've been using it as sort of a trademark for a long time in the D4 clinic. And as I said, it helped me to lose 4 stone, and tomorrow I'm going to be showing you a picture of what I used to look like beforehand before I used these methods. Yesterday's session you would have seen was got to do with planning, writing down what you eat, which is a really important thing because we know scientifically that people who plan and write down what they eat each day, keeping track in it of an app or a notebook, eat less food. Today's trick we're going to be showing you is to eat off a small blue plate. I want you to look at that very clearly. The plate is around the size of a fish plate is what we call it. It's not a main course plate, a side plate, it's a medium-sized plate. Now ideally we like it to be that color there, blue, of some shade of blue, and you're asking me, Jason, you must be going mad. Why would I have a blue plate? What difference would it make? Well, obviously, first thing is the size. We're going to use a smaller size. We're going to eat less food. The second thing you're going to do is, because you eat off a darker colored plate, ideally blue, maybe even black, but ideally blue, what you'll find is that you will eat roughly 50% less food. The reason is your brain is predisposed to reflect, we see what we eat what we see. So if your plate has a darker color and if your food goes on it, what you do is you eat less food, because the first thing is there is no blue food in nature. So therefore your brain is predisposed not to find blue attractive, so you eat less. Second thing is when food becomes blue, should I say, it goes off. So if you look at bread, it goes moldy, cheese, it goes moldy, meat, it goes, they all go a shade of blue, which means that your prehistoric brain is predisposed not to eat or to lower your appetite because it thinks you'll get sick. So A, smaller plate, B, dark colored plate. That's your tip. When you are eating from now on, I want you to eat at the table, not in front of the television. Eat slower, eat off your blue plate and put your knife and fork down between bites. Chew maybe 10, 20 times to slow down that process. You'll find by doing this each mealtime that you're eating around 50% less food. Plus, no TV or internet or anything while you're eating. When you're eating, just do the eating. Don't be trying to entertain yourself and do all these other things. Just eat at that time, because otherwise you'll be distracted by the TV and you'll eat more. Hope you enjoyed today's tips. See you tomorrow.